Andhra Premier League.
He's miscued this one. Cries of catch it. Someone getting underneath it. And it's been put down. Oh dear. As easy as it gets for any fielder. In practice, 9 out of 10 times you'll take that catch.
If you can say that again. It got a bit of swing as well. And straight away, the entire stadium thought that one was a goner. Vijay, the fielder there. Yeah, eventually he gets one. He's been looking for it for a while now. And that was a good shot. The first boundary of this match coming. And that one's falling to Naneshwar. The Warriors at 9 for no loss after 2 overs. Now he's gone big. He's got a connection there. Fielder is there. And that first wicket, we were speaking about it in the over before this. They're going to try to release the pressure. And it might result in a wicket land for the Royals.
The pressure was building. It eventually shows up. Prashant perishes in his bid to accelerate. He consumed 15 deliveries for his 7.
There, the last ball of the power play will be hammered for a GMR 6 of the match. They needed something to go away with, and Yaneshwar picks a nice 6. Trying to smack that away. And he dissects the gap this time. Dissects those 2 fielders, much required runs, and Mahip slowly trying to kick it. Captain, that's what you want from your boys on the given day. Tries to smack that. This time the fielder will watch it go over for a GMR 6 of the match. Mahip now, the captain, will pick the spot. He needs to pick on B. Vinay, and he's doing exactly just that.
Once again, a half track, almost on the front foot, pulling that one. Yeah, he needed a ladder. Needed a ladder to catch that one. Was way short. The fielder
talking about. Tries to get cheeky. An edge is probably what they were asking for. Umpire won't give that.
Yeah, Hanuma's taken a review. Immediately he's taken a review. Shot fine. Probably heard a noise there. He's taken a review there. Naneshwar was the batter. Yeah, this point of time, you see the straight line there. And it reaches the glove. Then we see some disturbance. That doesn't really matter. They've lost in review probably. Waiting for the confirmation. Yeah. Oh, it's gone. He's given it. He's given it. They were going to their marks there, and suddenly they have given it. And Mahip, well, he's having a chat with the umpire.
They'll know they'll need to do more. The captain is here, and the captain bowls him over. Hanuma Vihari, in that first ball, has sent Saurabh back to the pavilion.
Just come in. Yeah, going for the big one, striking timber, disturbing the furniture as well. He's elated here, Hanuma Vihari. Look at that one. That's gone. That's gone. Another one bites the dust here. Warriors in trouble. Vihari striking for the second time in this over from him. And getting his second wicket as well. Trying to cut that one. Getting a feather. The keeper has been really good behind the stumps. Prasad making no mistake.
10 runs of it. Yeah, going for the big one. And another catch will be taken. This is Vijay who takes a very good catch.
Once again, going for the big one, thick outside edge, easily taken as well. No issues with that. Vijay was the fielder, and they are delighted.
Wickets. That's a lovely strike. And it's been pouched. Beautifully done at long off. That's another wicket for Vihari. And he sends Anand packing. Vinay with a lovely catch. This is a great passage of play for the capital Amravati Royals. Another one bites the dust for the Tungabhadra Warriors.
It was angled across. He tried to smash over long off. Wonderfully taken. That is a... Oh, there it goes. A big one. A big one from Mahip Kumar. GMR 6 by Mahip Kumar.
Yeah, he'll have to take matters into his own hands. He does not have much support. It's the lower order giving him company. Of course, KV Sasikant can play big. But he'll have to find those big hits and just keep that scoreboard ticking because the pressure is piling on.
Pressure is piling on. Not good enough. They need some... Oh, that's nicely played. Used the pace of the ball. Just played it fine. Sasikant goes to a boundary. A welcome boundary in this over. First boundary conceded by Hanuma Vihari.
Over the top. That's a good strike. That's going to be finally a boundary coming. Lovely shot on that occasion by Sasikant. Trying to make a move here.
Now he gets it. They've been trying this for a while now. Eventually puts good bat on the ball. A much needed 6 for the Warriors. Sasikant moving to 30 of 20. The Warriors moving to 115 for 6.
Yeah, just shuffling and beautifully played as well. 50 partnership up between the two. And coming in style. 55 of 42 deliveries this partnership. Really clobbering that, powering that one on the onside. And into the stands.
Here's another one. There is no fielder inside. There's no fielder needed for that. But that is going straight over the fence. Second consecutive 6 now for the Warriors. And Sasikant moving on to 36.
But he's playing really well. He can use the long handle. That's exactly what he's doing. Over the skirting there. Beautifully played. Back-to-back 6s. The problem is bowling the length deliveries. He has to be either fuller. Got to bowl those Yorkers now. Once again, change of pace. Straight to the fielder. Oh, misses that one. What has he done there? Malik Arjun was the fielder that should have been taken.
Ball was wonderful in the way, of course, he bowled those overs in the power play. Not so much on the field on that occasion. And we've seen that time and again today. In the first game as well, you saw a couple of drop chances. And you're seeing the same here. You can see the frustration. 16 runs coming off this over. It's been a good over for the Warriors. 123 for 6. At the end of 18 overs, of course, Maheep now, with that 1 run, moves on to 50 of 40 deliveries. There are still 2 more overs to go, but the job is still not done. Now, of course, he planned it from before. There's no need running after it because those are 4 more runs for the Warriors. This partnership continues to flourish for the Warriors, who move on to 129 now. This 7th wicket partnership.
Once again, trying to improvise. It's up in the air as well. And that's taken. That's a wonderful catch. Hanuma Vihari, the skipper. Wonderful catch as well. He's led from the front. Really good catch from him. Sasikant was dropped earlier, but not on this occasion.
Yeah, the batsman seemed in 2 minds, and full credit of that goes to Ayyappa, the bowler. Well done. In the block hole as well. Just gives away 1 run. They're going to come for the second. Surely they're going to go for the second. What's going to happen here? Are they going to get it? Looks like they're not going to get it. Yep, they're going up to the TV umpire for that one. Irrespective of that, the innings has come to an end. Now, whether the Tungabhadra Warriors have finished on 135 or 134...
Was short of the crease there. Yeah, this is the point, and he's well shot. So that's going to be a wicket as well. So just will get 1 run on the occasion. Been a royal outing for them. They've done very well with the ball. Out is the decision. So they lose another wicket here, Warriors. So 136 for 8 is what they have got. 21 for Naneshwar, Prashant Kumar out for 7. The skipper, of course, getting a very, very good half century. 56 of 44 for him. And then in the middle order, Saurav Kumar, M. Datta,
Maheep and Sasikant.
The bowling was really good. Very impressive bowling. 3 wickets for Hanuma Vihari with the pick of the bowlers. Really good economy as well.
Nicely played. And opens his account. Hanuma Vihari, very well fielded. Good cricket all around. But Adrit, the impact player, he's made an impact with the first ball he has fielded. Up, and 4. Starts with a boundary, bit flashy, surely, but very lucky. Just missed the short third for 4. Oh, nicely played, beautifully hit. Cut the ball for a 4. It was angled in and gave him ample width. He just smashed it past point for 4. First ball, second bound comes in. He's quite a good bowler. Nicely played, beautifully played. He's a very clever batter. He's a wonderful batter. A lot of time at his disposal. Oh, there it is. He double bluffed him. You know, he thought because he's standing, he tried to cramp him for a room and he...
This time, no half measures, cries of catch it. That's over the fielder at deep mid wicket. That's the GMR maximum as well.
Slog swept. Look at that. He's a big hitter. He's an explosive batter. Oh, way, way above the fielder's head. Nicely played. Beautifully played. Look at him. That is class written all over it.
Absolutely. Lovely shot. Shot of the evening. Full, and that's been drilled down the ground by Pranit. He's looking good this evening, and the chase is very much nicely clipped away. Back-to-back boundaries. He's enjoying himself in the middle and backing himself. There again, showing conviction in his footwork and giving the charge.
Another boundary. Another boundary, and they complete the 50. Good partnership. 51-run partnership between these two of 29 deliveries. Gone. You have already hit 2 boundaries. Why would you go for 3 boundaries? Why would you go after the bowler? Amravati Royals.
Yeah, poor shot selection. He'll certainly be kicking himself at what he's done in the middle. He got the runs, he was looking good, he's provided the start.
And the others around him can continue going about their order of business. Now he's gone for this one. Fine leg is up. And he's got another 4 runs. SV Rahul comes. SV Rahul gets a boundary.
Yeah, smashes that on the offside, and that will race away for a boundary. Nice and tidy here. There's timing written all over it for SV Rahul. Catch!
So there he goes. He goes big. He's gone long. There is no point chasing it because that is a maximum. Another 6 runs coming off the bat of SV Rahul.
Yeah, nicely done. Goes down on one knee, was watching the ball, and this was building up. This was long due. It was coming. He's seen Saurabh come in there, who's leaked a lot of...
That's a wonderful hit. Wonderful hit. He's a phenomenal striker of the ball. Till he has a rush of blood. But this was a shot of the day. Inside out. Over covers for 4.
This is high, handsome, out of here, into the crowd. That's a powerful strike. What a way to end over number 11. 15 coming off it. The Royals 99 for 1.
After 11 overs. And this was the 6th of the last ball. Look at him. He's short in stature, but packs a lot of punch in his shots. Wonderful striker of the ball. Everybody's a big striker. There is up in the air, up in the air. Is it 4? Yes, it is another boundary. He was very slow off the blocks.
Take us through your journey from the auction day 1 to today at qualifier 1.
క్వాలిఫై 1 నుంచి మేము విహారీ మీరు డే 1 నుంచి చూసుంటారు. ఫస్ట్ 5 మ్యాచెస్ లో కూడా ఎక్కడ కూడా వన్ సైడెడ్ గా జరిగింది.
సో అక్కడ వికెట్ కూడా అయింది కాబట్టి we'll get back to the match and we'll get back again.
Thank you.
But over to Mikhail and Ashok.
He sees the stumps disturbed. I'm not sure that shot was on. Quicker delivery. Just brushed his left thigh and crashed into the stump. Siddharth finally tastes success.
మేము ఆంధ్ర క్రికెట్ అసోసియేషన్ నెక్స్ట్ గర్ల్స్ దాంట్లో కూడా ఉమెన్స్ దాంట్లో కూడా వెళ్ళాలని ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఖచ్చితంగా అమరావతి ఈ యొక్క ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఇది సూపర్ అండి. బ్రహ్మాండంగా చాలా అద్భుతంగా నడుస్తూ ఉంది. ఇది మేలే కాదు ఫీమేల్ కూడా లేడీస్ దాంట్లో కూడా.
Thank you very much, Neha. Very happy Satish Prabhakar, owner of the capital Amravati Royals. Wow. This man's dealing in 6s. He's keen to finish it and take his team home. And what a way to bring up your 50 as well.
Radrich back-to-back 3 6s. He doesn't know the youngster. Master of spin bowling. That is up in the air. Another boundary. Very expensive over. 22 runs coming in this over. After 14, 132 for 2. That's nicely played. Over covers for a 4. They need 1 run to win. They are almost home. Writing is on the wall.
There it is, the winning moment. And the capital Amravati Royals storm into the finals of the GMR Andhra Premier League 2025. And they do it in some fashion and style with 8 wickets in hand. They have been clinical, comprehensive, and they've outplayed and outclassed the opponents.
Top of the batting card is Hanma Vihari with a brilliant 54 of 34 deliveries. You didn't realize he's played only 34 deliveries. Saurav Kumar was very expensive, 4 overs 41. 4 overs 19. Siddharth was pick of the bowlers, picked up a wicket too. Then 1 over 12 runs, Sasikan. Beautiful. 54, and then Rahul and Puneetha supported him very well. Amravati Royals win this match by 8 wickets.